to just do an easy makeup application. It's hot outside. I want to look cute, but I don't want to look like I've got a whole lot of makeup on that's runny and cakey. So I just do a very basic, starting with, very importantly, a primer. And this one is for pores. And I'm not really someone who puts a lot of emphasis on brands. I just pretty much just buy what I think I need. I'm no expert. What I concentrate most on are my eyebrows and my eyes. And I like this. I'll take this little brush and little cream foundation that's close to my complexion, and then one that's lighter than my complexion, and one that's lighter than my complexion I'm going to use to underline my brows. With the darker one that's closer to my skin tone, and just go and sweep the top of my brow to give it more definition.
Each and every day there's gonna be things that get in your way, and still you got
Then blend that in.
Don't let the hot shapes hold you back, just keep your head up straight.
Just a little bit for my skin, not a lot at all. Dab a little on. Sort of even out my complexion without having to put a lot of makeup on my face.
You gotta shine on.
And that's all the foundation that I'm going to use on this hot day. Next, I use a bold black pencil eyeliner. Oh yeah, it's not bad. I have no idea where I got it from.
Don't let the darkness get your mind and leave your worries behind.
Not bad.
And clear those clouds up from your mind.
Okay, I like that. Navy blue. So I'm going to try that right beneath it. That's a little something. Okay, it's nice. I love purple. It's pretty. And then that really deep purple right there, I'm just going to use that on the outer corner and blend it in with this bold line that I've made.
Pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam.
Just a little bit highlighter under my brow.
Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter.
Mascara. I don't really wear a lot of false eyelashes because I wear a lot of reading glasses, so eyelashes just really go against those glasses. And my lashes tend to be long anyway, which I'm thankful for. Okay, I am finished with the eyes, and now I'll take just a little pressed powder and go over my face to take the shine away, and to even my skin a little bit more. And then I'll go in with a lighter powder and a smaller brush and use this lighter powder in lieu of highlighter right under my eyes.
Oh.
blush, just a little bit.
And how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a
Now I just want something summery and light.
and how I love ya. I count the stars.
This is like a little mauve.
Be in the right mind, trying to connect the things I collect. Keep my eyes open wide, catching all the signs. What you need, all your homies.
And
Well, baby, I'm free.
my very quick and easy makeup application is done.
Feeling hot space and I'm shaking.
What do you think? Take care, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.